In this guide, I'll show you how to create and link a Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings in the bottom right corner. Then on the left sidebar, scroll down to Users, and we're going to scroll over and scroll down and select Add User. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to create a new user or input user data from another console? I'm going to go to Create a New User. Now it's going to ask you to select an icon. I'm going to go with the Yoshi here, select whatever you'd like. And same thing goes for entering a nickname for your user. I'm just going to press 1 and then press OK or the plus sign. Now it's going to say this user has been added to your console, and it's going to ask you to link a Nintendo account. This is going to allow you to access online play, friend features, the Nintendo eShop, and more. So I'm going to select this now. It's a little bit slow. It might take a couple seconds to load here, but it's going to bring us to this next screen where you can sign in using an email address or sign in ID if you already have an account, and the same thing goes with signing in with a smart device. Now, if you don't have a Nintendo account, you can go to create a new account, and it's going to ask you to send account creation instructions via email. Now, once you've input your email, Nintendo will send a message to that inbox, and what you want to do is get the confirmation code from that email. So I'm going to type it in now, it's 5 digits, and I'm going to press OK, and that's going to bring us to this next step. Now it's just going to verify some information, and then you just want to go to link. And once you've done that, your Nintendo account will be linked to your Switch. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.